Hello guys, welcome back to the CodeAlgo. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Infosys Digital Specialist Engineer or DSE role training. Infosys is organizing its training online since 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. For that, they changed the training process a bit. So in this particular video, we will try to know the training process of the last batch. And here we will discuss the answer of some questions like when the training will start, what is the duration of the training, what are the training streams, what is the exam type, passing marks and the total attempts we will get to qualify the exam, when we will get the laptop, what is the after training process, and some tips from my end. Just stay tuned. So the first question is when the training will start. So the training will start after the completion of your BTech. And the next question is what is the duration of the training. The duration of the training for Digital Specialist Engineer or DSE role is 45 days or 1.5 months approximately. The time period is very much short because as you are selected for Digital Specialist Engineer role, so you know programming very well. For that, they will not focus on your technical skills, rather they will put you in the stream training and one stream will be allocated to you. So now you might have a question that what are the streams? There are basically 4 streams. Those are Big Data, Java, MERN or Main Stack and .NET. For stream allocation, you can give 3 choices and there is 99% chance that you will get the stream of your choice. Now the next question is what is the exam type? Before the last batch training, there was some FA exams, but from the last training, the exam pattern has been changed and there you have to do basically 2 to 4 certification courses and you have to give some certification exams. So there will be no FA exams. And now one question may arise in your mind, that is what is the passing marks and how many attempts you will get to qualify the exam. The good part is as we are doing some certification exams, so we will get unlimited attempts and the passing marks is 60%. But the pattern may be changed for the next batches, so it totally depends on company. And the next question is when we will get the laptop. So after the induction program, you will get the laptop and they will send the laptop to your home. And now we will discuss what is the after training process. Once you complete your training successfully, you will get a DC and a project will be assigned to you. You can give 3 choices for DC allocation and there is 90% chances that you will get the DC of your choice. But in case of project, that totally depends on the company and the business requirement. Before going to the tips, I just want to say don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video informative. And now we will discuss some tips from my side. The first one is decide your stream carefully and before the training, as you have a lot of time before joining and you know what are the streams, so you should explore all the streams and find out in which you are more comfortable so that you will not face any problem during the training. And the second tip is do all the assignments regularly on your own. If you don't do the assignments regularly, then at last you will have a lot of tasks and you might face problem to complete those assignments. And the third tip is revise everything on weekends. As the training period is very small and you have very less time, so you have to utilize the weekends very well to qualify the training smoothly in first attempt. So that's all about Infosys Digital Specialist Engineer role or DSE role training. If you want to know about the Infosys System Engineer role training, then click the I button. Hope you like this video and thank you for watching.